Speaking of falling from grace, and I don't know where that came from, the once red-hot Bitcoin, I guess we're talking about Apple tie-in there, once red-hot Bitcoin seems to be cooling off just a little bit after hitting a high of almost $20,000 back in December. The cryptocurrency has been trading right around 11,000 recently. Weighing on the currency is news that hackers stole $530 million worth of digital money from Japanese exchange Coincheck. You know, that's got to hurt. But Bitcoin's woes certainly not slowing down initial coin offerings. A company called Current now offers a platform that would reward users for their time, data, and attention when they pay for certain media services with its virtual token currency. Trying to follow this. The ICO is launching in February. By the way, Mark Cuban is an early stage investor in Current, if you're interested in that, and he usually is pretty successful. Well, joining us now is the co-founder and CEO of Current in a Fox Business exclusive, Dan Novias. I'm so sorry, Dan. I knew I was going to trip over that, but more importantly, can you explain in straight English and to our viewers exactly how this works? I kind of get the concept, but can you just lay it out nice and clearly for me?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. So at Current, we're focused on what the media consumption is going to look like going into the future. And so today, people spend about 5 hours on their phone consuming media. And what we do at Current is we reward you for your time, that data, that attention, when you're consuming on SoundCloud, on Spotify, YouTube, these different services in our own currency, as you mentioned. You can then use those, that token to essentially pay down your membership subscriptions just for listening to your favorite music or watching a video. And it's really around rewarding your most precious asset, which is your time. And that's the attention that we give out to when we consume on these different media services.
So you're not physically getting coins in your pocket, so to speak, in your virtual pocket, because that money is then put towards the fees that you're paying for the services you're using, right? So you get credits.
Yeah, you're essentially, the tokens themselves can be used for a variety of different things. So you can use them for those premium services, whether that be a gift card, but we also reward creators, and we also reward people that curate on the platform, and then we allow advertisers to buy those tokens within our own ecosystem. So the tokens themselves have a cash value, so in theory, you could change it for other cryptocurrencies as well. But for consumers, what we want to focus on is providing the best consumption experience and rewarding this asset that we all share, but today you don't really own. The people that are making money on your data, on your time and your attention are those media platforms. And what we focus on is, if we can get more information out of you and reward you with that from that information, then not only can we create a better platform through the recommendations, but also you have better advertising that advertisers are interested in, obviously.
So very quickly, Dan, so that means you can't demand privacy because that's what you're being paid for, is the information they're getting from you.
Yeah, so basically the model that we operate on is that the user should have choice, right? And we give consumers choice on how they consume their media. So if you feel free to share your information, then you will get compensated on it, but you don't have to. What we do is we basically assign a variable to every single person, and then that basically allows the person to either earn a lot or earn a little bit less. And it's really about giving that privacy to the user and how they want to consume their media and how they want to get rewarded for their time.
Well, thank you for laying it out very clearly. I think I understand it now, and I really appreciate your time and wish you the best of luck. Dan Novias. I got it right. Dan, thank you so much. Appreciate your time.